The question is how to find out the partial derivative of the given function. The question is, let f of x comma y comma z is equal to x square y cube z. Okay, we have this multivariate function. Then we need to find out x times the partial derivative of this function with respect to x plus y times the partial derivative of this function with respect to y plus z. The times the partial derivative of this function with respect to z should be equal to, options are being given. We need to find out the correct option in this case. Okay, so what we are being given, we have the function f of x comma y comma z is equal to x cube, we have x square y cube z. Okay, and we are supposed to find out x times del f upon del x of x comma y comma z plus y times del f upon del y times x comma y comma z plus z times del f upon del z of x comma z should be equal to. Okay, so let's write first x. The derivative of this function with respect to x will be, so the exponent of x becomes coefficient and exponent is subtracted by 1, so 2 becomes coefficient, so we have x times twice x y cube and z will remain same because we are taking the partials, plus y times the derivative of this function with respect to y. In this case x square will remain same, derivative of y cube will be equal to 3y cube, so we have 3y square, rather exponent is subtracted by 1 and z will remain same, plus then we have z times the derivative of this function with respect to z. Derivative of z is 1, so we are left with x square y cube. Okay, so here we got twice x square, so twice x square y cube z, plus here we have 3, first 3, then we have x square, y into y square is y cube times z, plus here we have, let's write first x cube times, rather we have x square times y cube times z. Okay, so if I take x square y cube z common, so x square y cube z if I take common, so here we are left with 2, here we are left with 3, and here we are left with 1, so we will get 2 plus 3 plus 1 is 6, so we get 6 times x square y cube z, which is equal to 6 times, what is x square y cube z? It is a given function, that is f of x comma y comma z.